A long time they are hold it, you know. Long fucking time they are hold it. Long fucking time.
My fantasy, 100 man fair fuck me, my fantasy, that's, you know.
Ride panic, cocky like bike. Girl broke it, just do it like Nike.
The man charge 800,000 pounds.
The breeze did at Kingston Wharf today.
I want to stand here, bumbo claw, them red through that, me dead.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Remember, if it's your first time to check out the channel, we just ask for that subscription there. Please give thanks to man. Yeah, man. Alright, so in this episode, we have Quik Cook. Yeah, man. Quik Cook come out with the blaze of fire against Boom Boom, you know. Yeah, man, I say, nah, I get no strength in I dance. So I have Boom Boom, I come back out and make a neat little clap back at Quik Cook. So we're gonna check out that and see what go on, you see me? Yeah, man. Also, we have Ivany. Yeah, man. Ivany, all a different meds, you know, people. Yo, we're gonna check out her reason and hear what she going with over there, cause she talk some bugger things there, you know, a bugger rate. Yeah, me I tell you. Yeah, man. Also, we have Likkle Addi, new tune. Yeah, man, like Nike, hot piece of song, people. I have to go check out that and see what I go on for that in the road, you know. Yeah, man. Also, we have one Kevin I come out and I make you know how much money Kartel charge for the wireless festival over there in England. You know, one not normal that, you know. Yeah, man, the concert that got burn off for night time. Yeah, man, Vybz Kartel live in England at the wireless festival. Where I check it out and see how much one Kevin said Vybz Kartel I get charged for and all that really go, you see me? Yeah, man. Also, we have check out some breeze. This is the breeze that blew down the place one night time out of Jamaica there, you know. Yeah, man, everywhere I blow with people are lose them roof and yo, I be things. So I have to go see what I go on the ground. But first, I kick it off with Ivany. I hear a reason, I hear what she did. Go through, mama.
I come on live, come telling you every day, so my fantasy, 100 man fair fuck me, my fantasy, that's, you know. When me I watch things on YouTube, me have to type in skinny girl getting ding 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 from 100 man. When I look at 10 man line down, I burn out her look at slippers. That me have to watch. And if a one-on-one that not turn me on. You know, if you have 10 man or 5 man or 6 man, them there's something them I love watch. If they look a one-on-one, can't turn me on.
Fresh drop.
So I don't know how this a woman you go tell me say me look up to she. Look up to you where? How? When?
Say hear from Ivany directly, no people. She say 100 man she want to dig out for her thing one time, you know. Yo, she cold still, me nah go around here. Yo, me nah know how she da manage that, you know, cause 100 man in a for her thing one go. Yo, she strong, man. Me nah like that. So them say, yo, woman thing can't done, you know. No care how much woman they would man or take how much man she can't done, you see me? Yeah, man. She go have it same way, it go glow up back same way, you know. Yeah, man, a woman gift that, yeah, me tell you. But she make you know straight still, so that she did, that is her fantasy. So, yo, we can't really beat her. That's what she want to do with fear life, that she want. So, we have to just, you know, look and listen and just nada move on. You see it? Yeah, man. So, now we are check out one Kevin. Yeah, man. He make you know how the Gaza do it. You see me? Man, I say, oh, crazy pounds Vybz Kartel a charge for the wireless concert over there in England. So, we are check it out and AM reasoning.
Kartel have been set to perform in a wireless festival in England on July 13. You don't want to know how much money the man charge for that? Alright. The man charge 800,000 pounds. What is 800,000 pounds in US? 800,000 pounds in US is actually $1,085,260 and 85 cents. The man not even left out the cents out of it. And only did I say 1.3 million. The heavy, bro God, nobody now live to pass that we Kartel a charge. That is a mega step him take in a dancehall. And truth be told, the cup is full and running over. So because of what's going on with Vybz Kartel right now, you also get a date to go actually perform again. And you know the man wake up, the whole fraternity, the elder them, me not calling the old, you know, but the elder them, the foundation them, for dancehall, the man wake up back. And you know what's sad about that? Is that Uno Sudan there are faltered with the little youth them and a style at the same way. Instead of us go and team up with the man who see her do it. You know what I say? Boy, we're gonna straighten the Addi. If we don't need to straighten the Addi, we must say Addi gone pass on a way a long time. What kind of strength I give to him? Only I go straighten somebody way, open up back the doors. So one can perform and go up on stage and get some 1 and 2 dates. How long someone rusty and Sudan? Someone just sit down with a big name and nothing behind it can't pay on the bills. You're not dead for hungry. And now that the man open up at the door, wanna start eat again. Brother, wanna be a part of history. The time is now. Wanna go make some good song and put pressure upon the song them, brother. Wanna stop be lazy in a dancehall. Someone are lazy. Look who the man at the pan stage with. Burner Boys. You understand? Drake. These are the people who are going to depend the wireless festival, So the 13th of July. This is a sold out event. That sell off already, brother. And only nobody come say because Drake them depend it and this man depend it. Vybz Kartel been selling out concert by himself. Vybz Kartel and friends, and that's it. You know, see who the friends is. All you're getting is surprise artists and surprise artists. When Kartel asks for some money, being party them on the PM. Because the man actually are bringing people what makes sense to him party them. You know, say man party them is a total successful party. Which one of Kartel party them drop so far? The only thing we can see is Kartel party them getting bigger, bigger, and bigger.
Yeah, family, so that one Kevin. Yeah, I come out and I make you know straight to you. The teacher charge £800,000 for the show over there in England Wireless Festival. Yeah, man, him, Drake, Burner Boy, Lone Star got up on the show, people. You see me? And when they perform, all the big acts, them big guns, them perform on Kartel night too. I think Doja Cat, I'll book for the event too if I'm not wrong, Yeah, man, so you don't know a big star-studded event over there in England. Yeah, man, and it's a good look for no some Vybz Kartel come on them back there, and it's not a single show for himself like him at the headline act. Him is just a supporting act on the show. Yeah, man, it's a good look that him get that big bag. They said we don't know £800,000 at over $1 million. He was said we, you see me? You don't know the general do it. Nothing short of $1 million. So it's a good look for the Gaza and for dancehall as well, you see me? Yeah, man, if you can know, so within them circles there and I spread with music, it's a good move. Yeah, man, big up the teacher for that said way to you see it. Yeah, so now we are check out Quik Cook, cause you don't know in recent times people, Quik Cook say him cup full, Yeah, man, him cup run over, him can't take a disrespect no more and him can't take a styling thing no more. He must say, yo, boom boom, I try shelf him career. So him that blaze a fire against boom boom one at a time. Hot that.
Show Quik Cook some gratitude, show Quik Cook some respect. Same as how you can know a man from who you are and you don't know him from north and you give him the platform. Me no business, you have to do what you have to do, collect your money and collect your bread. But me not pay for no blood clot platform. Me no pay for play, me stay for play. All who agree with me put some fire upon the line. Me no pay for play, me stay for play. A long time I there hold it, Long fucking time I there hold it. Long fucking time. Long fucking time. Wanna try clown me out, wanna try gimmicks me out, wanna try put all different man of evil upon my name and it no blood clot work.
Fresh
Me not
drop.
do nothing in a youth. Years when I champion upon my name in a youth. Years when I fight me in a youth. Years when I fight me no.
Yeah, family, so that a Quik Cook make him feelings be heard. You see what I did? Yeah, man, I can see frustration on the G face. I can see, say, yo, a long time I hold it and I must try to go through because you don't know Quik Cook ever have the slang them, ever find a new thing them, the hot thing them in the street. And you know, so you put in so much work in your craft and you pay money for mix your song them and you pay money for voice your song them and them thing that too. You pay money for shoot video. People hold up money take for make a song or make a tune and send it a road, Yeah, man, and then a little bit of money take for putting a production and them thing there. Just forget the finished product over here. The 2 minute or the 3 minute or the 4 minute where we are here, a whole heap of money take for make that happen for the artist. You see me I did? Yeah, man, so we can understand the frustration and thing, but you don't know, we respect Quik Cook and we respect Boom Boom to set speed as it, but we're gonna show a little clap back Boom Boom make neatly. You don't know Boom Boom that is the world boom. Yeah, man, you can see him post a picture with Joe Bogdanovich. Yeah, man, then I go and chill and easy with the boss. You see me? Can him post a pic and then caption it say, my boss said to me, keep focus, Marlon, because I got big plans for you. Nah, make them broke my focus for people. Yeah, man, you don't know a world boom that, you know, boom, boom. Yeah, man, so you can see, say, just make a neat little clap back, you see me? Yeah, man, because you don't know the big upstory from Quik Cook come out and blaze the fire. So the whole crowd turn on and look, and it's not the first time we hear Quik Cook blaze a fire against world boom still, truth be told, you know? Because if you follow up the whole thing from them time, you can know, so from Talking Mind days, Quik Cook blaze fire against world boom and thing, you see me? So it's just a next fire this him come out and blaze. So hopefully the two of them can hold a reason like last time and reason out things and make things connect up, and the two of them can play and the people them can hear what go on and everything just level off, you see me? Yeah, man, because you don't know a two talented people them, Quik Cook and world boom, you see me? Yeah, man, big up the G them said way.
Plug out the hand, I love me, now give them. Tired of the fake, the smile and the pretend.
So now we are check out Likkle Addi, new tune, yeah man, new tune 9 road people, big video shoot and be a thing, you know, like Nike, yeah man, we are check out the settings in 9 road and see how them are roll and check out piece of new song we are forward. It a drop the end of that weekend, you know, people. I think a Thursday the song you drop if we're not wrong, you know. Yeah man, Likkle Addi new tune, like Nike, we are check it out and see what I go and feel.
Yeah man, this is the side scene, you see it. Yeah man, look at the video shoot, you see it. Yeah man, so all of the niche them right there, say everything line up. Oh, the smart sauce, like him awake. Yeah man, so we have mangoes right here, we have plenty, you see it, so always a DJ call it touching mango them, so a mango video, so the beast them park up there.
Bring your pussy, girl, me want it, yeah, so rub my body pon your clitoris, your honey, yeah, now. She could do angle for my body, so she call for backup. Stuff your mouth, shut your mouth, baby, I wear the talking now. Ride panic, cocky like bike. Girl, broke it, just do it like Nike. Girl, lucky, she a copy your style. Breed you for breed, cause your body fertile. Ride panic, cocky like bike. Girl, broke it, just do it like Nike.
Breathe if you breathe, cause your body fertile. Yeah, people, look at the new tune that you know. Let me know what you think, you see me? Yeah, man, it have a bounce night. It have go on one night time, you know. It have one of them old school dancer sound bounce night. Yeah, me I tell you. Yeah, man, me rate rhythm when it depend, man. Something for you girl them this summer. You see it? So the girl them can get to and go on and beat things and get crazy, yeah, me tell you. Cause you don't know, look at the response for you girl them to know, you see it? Yeah, man. So just go and go run it up on them official YouTube page when it drop people. This Thursday out. Yeah, me tell you. Yeah man, so make sure you tune in and see what they go on. Alright, so now we are segue to some local happenings and see what really are going on the ground, cause since the start of the week we can see some videos of some heavy breeze are blow down the place out there. You see me I did everywhere I connect and I feel the breeze, me I tell you people. All down a wharf, the big heavy container them a drop a ground. Be things, yo, the breeze, strong people. We'll check it out and see what really are going on the ground.
Oh my god, take a look guys. Only I can come out here this time and do this. No one is out, and you have to pick up to the camera.
One squash saved Big Breeze.
You better pay a tax. Ready word. Top shatters is bad. Big Breeze, man in a them town.
Strong breeze blowing in Portmore today.
Fuck up one out here today like a hurricane to right here. But there, the place cloudy over in that distance. My God. Just about to go to the store. Okay? I'm inside.
Look at the breeze did at Kingston Wharf today. Fresh drop.
So when you see for the surface, you see the breeze will blow out of people, you know, normal. Yes, I mean, I did a different type of breeze this, you know. Yeah, man, them breeze have some hurricane force winds, me I tell you. You know, about them breeze when you're there, see or you're there now and playing, you know, man, them breeze are terribly, you know. Damage and breeze are cause. Yeah, man, you have to be careful out there because you never know what can that make you walk good and go about your business. And when you look, a piece of board with all a piece of nail catching it and a fly forward and breeze and chinks out piece of head one at a time, so you have to be careful. So me have to do some checks to see exactly where the breeze here come from or what really are going, cause if we end up in them type of conditions here and we not get no update on the hurricane or no hurricane warning, we have to check on the meteorological website and see where really are going. Yeah man, so then put out a little statement for make we know so there's a significant feature across the entire Caribbean right now. So it states a trough across Jamaica and a low level jet stream across the central Caribbean. So it reads, expect windy conditions to persist across most of the island through to the end of the week, but especially across southern parishes due to the presence of the low-level jet stream. Additionally, an upper-level trough across the north central Caribbean is likely to enhance afternoon thunderstorm activity across the region for the next few days. So basically, the make we know so them every breeze here is a low-level jet stream. You see what I tell you, the force of the breeze is like a jet apart small while. Yeah man, it knock out the thing them out the or knock off your roof on that time if you don't nail down properly. So you want to ensure so your belongings them secure in your place and everything strapped down. You see me, because we expect them conditions to the end of the week. So yo, make sure we're active. You see me as a people. Yeah man. Yeah, so if you make it through to the end of the vlog, I just want to big you up and tell you thanks again for watching the entire episode. Yeah man, enough respect, rate the support to your Jam TV I get over the last few weeks. Want to big up everybody who I give you the support. Yeah man, grateful, very very grateful. Yeah, I tell you. Yeah man, catch you in our next episode. I'm out.